tracks on the map. Long night shaking in a stranger's house, with a bottle in my lap, running from the deafening sound of a future with no one around. From Barcelona to Vestal's Gear, I spent countless hours walking among the rank and file, praying to some vague set of eyes that it's only for a while. Now I kneel before the only things I know, this set of keys, and I told you so. But someday it'll be worth a mile. It was cigarettes outside an empty barn on a dark December morning, months of bad food and a pauper's guitar, never heeding any warning. I've had friends and I've let my friends down, looking for my heart in the lost and found. Bare hands trying to stop the rain. I've been gaining on the crack of dawn, glass eyes and a smile, praying Saint Faustina, please let me